Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can make money from Facebook. Now, Facebook is one of the most popular apps we have on our mobile phones. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can take advantage of this mobile app on our phones and make money from it. Facebook is one of the app that is mostly used by individuals around the world, ranging from government institutions who have pages on this app. Also, NGOs have their pages on this app. Even students have their own groups, chats on this app. They make use of this app. Also, private-oriented institutions also make use of this app. So it's an app that has a group or has large audience use. So, and based on research, it has shown that over 4 billion users uses Facebook. Maybe because of its because it is less expensive to use and it consumes less data. So how can you take advantage of this and make money from Facebook? Remember, Facebook only allows adverts from business owners who pay money to them to advertise using their platform. Even Google pay them. Maybe content creators can pay to Google, business owners can pay to Google. So Google find a means to advertise these content creators' videos or market owners' products. And so they come to Facebook, and then Facebook will now help them to publish or advertise these products on Facebook. Do you know why? Because Facebook is one of the app or is one of the platform with a large audience. So if you are using Facebook or you have Facebook on your phone, have you thought about this? Have you been using Facebook only but to chat? Then stick to the end of this video, and then I'm going to show you an area you can use Facebook to make money from it. So if you're a student, stick to the end of this video because it's going to be of help to you. And so Facebook, for you to be able to qualify for this monetization, or for you to be able to qualify to make money from Facebook, then you have to have a group of loyal audience that are up to 10,000. That is, you must attain 10,000 followers. Then you are now eligible for Facebook. So, but then, how can you now make money from Facebook? Number one is in-stream ads. Now, in-stream ads are ads that comes in between videos. Like they pop up when a video is still playing, and then it is only shown for just few seconds. And so this particular ad is for only video content creators. Like if you are a content creator and publishes those videos on Facebook, and when you are eligible for it, in-stream ads is one way you can generate revenue from Facebook. And so what Facebook does is that when marketers pays them to advertise their products, what it does is that they bring in these in-stream ads in between your video when your video is playing. I believe recently when you watch a video, or maybe when you're watching a video, you see it popping up on the screen and it plays just like when you have YouTube. Now the second way is for bloggers, and it is called instant articles. Instant articles will help you to advertise products in between your articles. And then how they do is that you yourself, you are the one that will place where this advert will be, probably at the beginning of your article or at the tail end of your article or in between your article. That is another way you can make money from Facebook. Now thirdly is by online streams. So if you have built a group of loyal audience, one of the ways this your audience can show support to you is when you come online and have an interactive session with them. Now, for this audience to show that they support you is that they can prove their support through buying of stars and sending them to you. And how does these stars come? They are at the comment section of your video. And so when you qualify for monetization, this particular feature comes along. And so what they do is that at the comment section of your video, you place this ad, and these stars are virtual goods. That is, they are online goods. Now they will pick any of the products there, just like TikTok, and then when they buy that product, it will automatically be forwarded to you. Now, how does it pay you? For every star they click is 1 cent, or if they click any product, the amount of money you receive depends on the cost of the star or the virtual good vis-a-vis the product that they buy and send to you. That is another way you can earn money from Facebook if you're monetized. Now, the fourth area is influencer marketer on Facebook. Now, you know who influencers are? These are people who have built a group of loyal audience over time. And so, do you notice one thing about influencers? When they post something on Facebook, people are interested to their posts because they have built a group of loyal audience who have earned their trust. And so if they publish anything, they know that yes, this is truly coming from somebody I know, somebody I trust, someone who have earned my trust. And so as an influencer on Facebook, you can also make money from Facebook. So how do you make money as an influencer? Now, market owners, business owners can come to you and pay you to advertise their goods. Probably they want to advertise their phones, they want to advertise their cream. They can come to you to help them advertise their products on Facebook. Probably on your student page or any page you see on Facebook. Or you can have an influencer on Facebook who has a page, and so he constantly posts something recent or maybe breaking on Facebook, and so people are interested in them, and so that have made them to build a group of loyal audience over time. And so once they post any products, people are interested in them. So what marketers does is that marketers, they go to this group of people, that is the influencers, they pay them to help them advertise their products on Facebook. Now, these are 4 areas you can make money from Facebook. Remember, before, Facebook was only limited to marketers or business owners who pay to Facebook for them to advertise their product, and we the users will now go to, if you're interested in them, we can take advantage of them and follow them up. But this time around, if you're a publisher, be it video or article, that means you can actually make money from Facebook. So what is the next thing you need to think about is, do I meet the qualification for me to be able to be monetized, to earn money from Facebook? That's the question you should ask yourself. So if this video has been of help to you, please share this our video to reach other people, and also comment if this our video has been of help to you. And lastly, like and subscribe to this our YouTube channel so that we'll bring more videos like this to you. So in our next video, we'll be sharing with you how you can build your Facebook page or your Facebook for you to attain the eligibility, or for you to attain a group of loyal followers immediately. That is with the twinkle of an eye, how you can build it. So that will be our next video, and if you want to be part of that video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll bring to you in our next video. Thank you.